Hello and welcome to my channel, John Cotton's Classics. Today we're en route to Fowey Regatta or Carnival, and it's got a car rally there, and we're just waiting for a little while and then we're going to go inside, so we'll see you inside. Right, we've arrived at Fowey at the I imagine it's the college grounds. Fairly early on yet, it's just starting to coming in. There's a few cars here and we'll have a look at a bit more in detail later on, but got Eliza sat over there. I think she's going to be moved because we're with the historic Tamar Historic, which is over there, and I didn't realise they were here today, so we'll move her later on. Anyway, we'll catch you in a while. Well, just watch a few of them come in. A little Austin 7. And there comes a Mark 3 Zephyr. I think it's a 6. It's got the split grille. Yep. And they're getting pretty rare now. And a 1950s Vauxhall Wyvern. Yeah, it's a Wyvern, so that's a smaller one, I think. And that's very nice too. Being a Vauxhall man myself, although I've got an Allegro, but I've got a Vauxhall as well. I'm not sure what that is. It's very old, isn't it? Morris Cowley or something like that, I don't know. I'll have a look later on. And we've got an Mgb Gt coming in. Come with some Mercedes convertible. Again, I don't know the model on that from here. VX 490. Quite a tidy one. That's 1981. I don't know when they started making these, to be honest, and when they finished, but I should imagine that's probably about midway through. And a Volvo. I'm not sure which one that is. It's simply 2 vintage. They tell me here, won't it? 164. Very nice. Very nice. A couple of Ford hot rods. The Mark 1 Zodiac Zephyr. I'm not sure if the Zephyr or Zodiac, but it'd be a 6-cylinder anyway. Rover TC. And we've got a Citroen Traction. I don't know much about these, but nice looking car. A Ford of, I don't know what it is. I don't know what that is. Apparently this is for sale. It's a Teal Tourer 1977. It's for sale. It wants 25,000 for it. Okay. Right, it's a 124 coupe. About 869. Cheers, thank you. And it's a 1400 twin cam engine in this one. It's a smaller engine. There we are, 1400 twin cam engine.
It's about
There is a beautiful Alfa Galea. I'm not sure you pronounce it. I'll show you the plate. That's a real beauty. Lovely Italian designs. You see, old Italians certainly know something about car design, don't they? Well, certainly in that age anyway, which was probably about 1968-69 vintage. And that is probably my favourite of the show so far. Very nice. And we are next to a little humble Austin 7, which is a very nice little car. And another Ford T. And I can see a Daimler Dart, rather the SP250, which Daimler had to change because of the Yanks not liking it, because they already had a car called the Dodge Dart. Mark II called Escort, little Mini. A closer look at the Dart. Very nice. And we're next to a Dominite Sprint. Right, on the Tamar Historic Club we have two E-types, one a 4.2 in the foreground and a V12 in the back. Right, now here we have a Zephyr 6 Mark II, and this one has a little bit of claim to fame. If you're of a certain age and used to watch Emmerdale, you might remember this was in actually Vic Windsor's car, who was the proprietor of the post office in Emmerdale for a few years. And we'll just take a closer look, and you can, there you are, there's proof. So I have spoke to this guy before with previous shows, and he's had it a couple of years. I think he bought it straight off the film companies, or vice versa, someone else had bought it off the film company. So it's lovely. Right, I'm not sure what this is, but it says it's Essex Motors. I really don't know. Right, Essex Motors was a firm set up in 1930 by the Hudson Motor Company in Brentford, West London, and made parts mainly in the UK or imported from Detroit. Wow, I've never heard of them before.
Rigged up with a fan, there's on the manual switch, that's about it.
Nice car. Mark 1 Cortina and some type of Jeep.